What's going on, everybody, and welcome back. My name is Oscar Ramos, your host. Yes, this just happened a couple days ago. Can you believe it? As you probably know by now, if you're watching this video, ClearCryptos just launched the token CCX, starting from a price of just a couple of cents, right about here, one cent, all the way to a couple hours and days from now to 16 cents. And it seems that right now it's coming back as a retracement. So what happened? What is the crypto market doing? And will this continue pumping? All speculation, but you see this logo. Oh, there you go. You see this logo right here because we believe in the project of ClearCryptos, and this is just the beginning, right? It is something that you've been watching the channel. This is just one video to illustrate the price analysis of this token. But don't go anywhere. Go ahead and smash the like button. Everybody subscribe to the ClearCryptos YouTube channel to stay up to date with the latest information. I'm going to show you this that I really want to, right? Because the new website looks phenomenal. And you can take a look at all the partners that we have. CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap, here on the Twitter, new DEX coming in, Bitmart, and new exchange listing. So all of that volume adds to the liquidity, and that is one of the reasons that it pumped. This, what tells me, is that people are cashing out and taking profits, right? I was able to buy a couple of them right about here. And right now I'm like, well, I now need Ethereum for the swap. But I'm hopeful, right, that more exchanges will come. And then if that happens, basically we're going to be having, in my opinion, right, probably more pumps along the way. It's up to you, not financial advice. But always we want to start, in my opinion, buying when it's bloody on the street. So when this pumps, we cash out and we leave. But I wish you the best, absolutely. Now here, it's basically the No Trust Act motto that we have, which is pretty incredible. Sophistication without complication. And I've already dealt with the swap, and it's good. You have to accept a couple of fees to activate it on MetaMask. When that's done, that's it. Probably recognize this person right here, and of course Zach and Austin, and the crypto shop right here at the bottom. So this is what we're doing, everybody, to making everything more accessible for me, for you. That's the idea, and we're starting local to reach a global economy. And I mean, everything to me looks very professionally done, so that's exactly what we want. Contact the board of advisors. It's a page that a lot of my fellow content creators do show you guys, and yep, it's here for you to go ahead and analyze and do your research, right? I'm not gonna take too much of your time here because I'm sure that you can do that on your own. But earlier today we have Bitcoin pumping very nicely, way passing $20,000, also affecting the altcoins, and that helps for the entire economy. And when it comes to crypto, we need this. And you take a look at this number right here, 1 trillion. So yes. And of course, the Twitter of ClearCryptos right now, everybody pretty excited because if you bought very cheap, right now you should be, in a good side, so just to put it clearly, right, when it comes to the company and when it comes to all the sponsorships that are coming in. NASCAR, as you know, very proud of that too, and Alpha Prime. So going back to the price, everybody, what's happening? Well, definitely, if you didn't know, there were some wallets that added a couple of Ethereum to their portfolio from ClearCryptos. So that's pretty much what it occurred, right? That price appreciation added because of the wallets. It was some investigations that we had there, and wow, look at the address of the contract. People are buying ClearCryptos. Not surprising, because it seems that they're seeing the professionalism and the long term for this project. And that's something I truly believe, because we want long term, and we want, I will say, utility, right? Development and letting people know that this exists. So the education and all the swap, the analytics, the tools that are coming in from ClearCryptos are added and used by many. So check this out, everybody. Obviously, don't panic if this comes down. As it comes up, comes down. Welcome to crypto. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you next time, guys. Peace.